The Ichiran Ramen in Japan experience is a must-try for ramen fans visiting Japan. I went to the Ichiran Ramen location in Osaka after walking near the famous Dotonbori Canal, which was absolutely beautiful by the way. If you want to head to this exact location, I'll leave the address in the description below. The whole concept of the Ichiran experience is really fun. You first order your ramen at a vending machine, and then you sit in a booth by yourself, separated from the other customers by wooden partitions. When you get served your delicious bowl, it's passed to you from behind these wooden roll-up curtains by a server whose face you don't even make eye contact with. I went in the store and was greeted by a bright red vending machine where you select your order and pay in cash right then and there. You can add extra toppings on your Tonkotsu Ramen, like extra char siu or an extra egg. You can also order sides like extra noodle refills or rice to dunk into the broth. Then I go up one flight of wooden stairs and reached the restaurant and sat down in an empty booth. I was actually super lucky that I went at a less busy time. After you sit down, you mark off on a piece of paper your ramen preferences, how firm you want your noodles to be and how strong of a broth you want, how rich, how much garlic, green onion, and spice you want. Personally, I like a stronger flavored broth with mild spice and extra firm noodles. There are also extra item order sheets that you can use and these wooden sign cards that you can flip to see the English translations for. They make enough options so that you can easily request things without having to speak to your server. When you're done making your selection, you just press this little call button inside your booth and place your order sheet nearby. And like magic, your mysterious server will appear to take your order. They start working on the order right away, so in the meantime, you can peel the egg yourself and make yourself a self-serve tea right inside your little comfortable booth. While I was peeling my eggs, I noticed that there was a strong wood concept inside Ichiran. Wooden curtains, wooden stairs, wooden booths, wooden little sign request boards. I actually really liked it. I thought it had a kind of like back in the day vibe that I really appreciated. I didn't have time to think too long though. I was really impressed with how little time it took before I saw my incognito server lift up the curtain again and slide my hot, delicious tonkotsu ramen right to me. Japan's service standards are famously known for being polite and courteous, but I was still so surprised that my server gave me a bow here. And let's just take a moment to appreciate how delicious the ramen looks. The broth was a really creamy mixture of a savory and sweet tonkotsu flavor. I actually really like a strong flavored tonkotsu taste, and Ichiran's broth wasn't exactly heavy on the porky tonkotsu flavor that I liked. But it was delicious anyways. I slurped up my very first bowl of ramen so quickly that I had to order an extra kaidama bowl of noodles after. And boy oh boy was I impressed to see that my extra order came literally within a minute. Overall, I would definitely be able to recommend Ichiran Ramen. It's a top pick to recommend for visitors who not only want to enjoy delicious ramen, but also get a taste of Japan's unique culture. With a belly full of 2 bowls of ramen, I went back outside into the still brightly lit streets of Osaka for another beautiful night walk alongside the Dotonbori Canal. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more content from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna put out new content soon and I look forward to seeing you there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!